Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to restore progress in Rodeo Stampede. Restoring progress in Rodeo Stampede is simple. If you use a Play Games account, the game automatically saves your progress through Play Games. So the first step is to ensure you are signed in on your current device. Once signed in, your game data is linked to that account. To transfer progress to a new device, open the Play Games app and verify which account is active at the top of the screen. Then on your new device, sign in to Rodeo Stampede using the same Play Games account. The game will detect your saved data and restore your progress automatically. By linking your game to Play Games, you easily move between devices without losing achievements, unlock animals, or any other in game content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.